How to move forward. This depends on you and how ready you are. How well did you understand the material in this program? How well did you do in the quizzes? I'd recommend not trying to move forward if you've scored lower than 90% in any of the quizzes. Don't look at this as a bad thing, however. The quizzes are there to tell you how ready you are to proceed. So chin up. I'd also recommend not trying to proceed if you are afraid of losing or spending money, or if you don't have money that you can afford to spend or lose, because money that you can't afford to spend or lose creates unhealthy attachments and ends up clouding your judgment, limiting your ability to properly make decisions. You don't want that. Not here. If, however, you are ready, you do have money, you can afford to lose and spend, and you don't have any unhealthy attachments to it, you're welcome to continue the Ekatatrading program in sequence. Just visit here and select the next program in sequence. Or you're welcome to fund your broker and use whatever other free information you can find and piece it together yourself and make your own mistakes. It will take longer, but it is absolutely possible either way. I really hope you enjoyed this program and that you grab something from it. I hope to see you at the top someday.